Start off by placing your steel in the top third of the oven and preheat on maximum temperature for 45 minutes. Then switch to grill/broil. Now you can start stretching out your base. Use whatever technique you feel comfortable with, then add your favourite toppings. I like to use San Marzano, mozzarella, roni and olives. Launch into the oven when the grill is red hot and let it go for about a minute. Give it a turn and another minute. I use tongs here because there's not a lot of room to play with. One more spin and then switch back to conventional bake mode. And that's it. Authentic pizza right in your home oven. Finish with some extra basil and enjoy. All in under 5 minutes. Grab a ScratchMadeSteel and get baking.